Hi, this is Samina Sheikh here, and with me right now I have my all-time favorite. I always call her that. So join me as I welcome her Gayatri Bharadwaj, only on Zoom. First of all, lovely
My
to have.
all-time favorite.
Yeah.
I'm
Two
so sorry.
Geminis over
But
here.
yeah, we're two Geminis reunite. Yes, girl.
And I must say that the way you have transformed, Gayatri, and the way your acting journey is going on, especially in down south, people are praising and rooting for you. So what do you have to say about that?
I'm very, very grateful. I've always wanted to be an actor, and the fact that people are appreciating the little things I'm putting in it, I'm very, very grateful.
And your OTT, as I told you last time also, and this time also I'm going to tell you that meme तो बन ही रहे साथ में, पर एक message बन गया है कि companionship होनी चाहिए तो ऐसी जोड़ी की होनी चाहिए, yours and Ritwik. So are we going to see some seasons, taking forward?
Honestly, the answer to that lies in the producer's hands. I would love to shoot for another season, and season 3 should come, but as of now, I have no idea.
I have to ask you how it has been for you while being on the red carpet of Filmfare. If one memory which you had, over the years, being on this red carpet.
So my favorite memory actually comes from 2020, the year of COVID, when we didn't know COVID was happening, and the Filmfare was held in Guwahati, Assam, where I was performing along with my fellow Miss Indias. With Ayushmann Khurrana. That was my best memory. I remember just like going there, rehearsals, the adrenaline you feel before you go on stage. That was surreal. So I think that's been my favorite memory so far.
That's lovely. And before I let you go, Gayatri, you have to now kind of tell all of us about your upcoming projects.
So right now, as of now, I'm doing this very, very fun Gen Z film down south. It's called Cult, and it's with Vishwak Sen. And he's known to be Mas Ka Das. He's so energetic and just so, he knows how to captivate the audience. He's also directing the project, so I'm so excited to for that film to release around Christmas time. So yeah, you guys get ready for it. It's going to be a dhamal on
So I must say that Gayatri is literally maturing dhamal down south, and definitely in Bollywood also. Definitely we're going to see you super soon. Thank you so much, and lovely interaction with you, and looking forward to see all of your work always. Thank you.